Oh, it looks like there's a train coming. So right behind those CRRC cars, the line of cars here, it looks like there's a train, possibly a CN freight, coming through Pointe St.Charles yard. Here on the 27th of November, 2024. Oh, look at that. The REM viaduct is lit up by the sun. And here's the city of Montreal. Some new buildings on the skyline. And over here, we've got these locomotives. The GP40-2W and the GP38-2 with the IC reporting marks in Illinois Central. So some interesting things are happening here at Pointe St.Charles yard as dusk begins to paint everything with a light yellow. And there is another train there that's lit up. That's from the EXO yard. And one more thing there. These are the old Comet 2 cars that are still sitting here. They've been retired. Those are single level coaches. All the other stuff are bi-levels. So I thought there was a CN train coming. I'm not sure about that. We'll see. I can hear it actually. And look at that sunset over there. Orange sky over Pointe St. Charles. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a train coming. There's a REM. That's heading towards Central Station, 4-car train. Yeah, I'm not so sure if there's gonna be any train coming actually. Anyway, it was good while it lasted. So I'll film again once these locomotives move, if they do.